Okay, so our next muscle length test we're going to go through is Fabers. Again, this is for adductors, so you're going to see right and left side whether the adductors are tight on one side. Obviously with this one you do have an element of the hip capsule as well, so you often can't completely say it's the adductors, but it's just a quick test to see someone's range of motion and to see whether there is a big difference from one side to the other. Then you could do, if you thought it was adductors, you could maybe do some passive range of motion testing, which we've been through in other videos, and that would give you a better indication of whether the adductors were actually tight. So for Fabers, it's a flexion, abduction, external rotation, which is why it's called Fabers. So you're going to bring the foot up into, or the hip, sorry, up into flexion. You're going to bring the foot onto the opposite knee and just allow that knee, PJ, to just drop towards the bed. So what you're doing is just cueing that towards the bed. What you can do as well is just stabilise the ASIS on this side with your hand, and then you're just comparing right side to left side. What you're looking for is for the knee to get down to about level with the knee. You can just, again, put a bit of pressure through with this hand, and then, again, you can use this quite nice as a treatment, so things like PNF and contract relax stretches in this position is quite nice. Obviously with this one as well, asking where the tension is, because if it's in more the adductors, then you might think it is more of an adductor issue, whereas if it was maybe around the back, then that could be more of an SIJ or hip issue rather than being an adductor length problem. But essentially we're just in this position, we've got external rotation, flexion of the hip, and we're looking for right side versus left side as to whether those adductors are tight or are an issue.